Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a brick road. First, let's plan your project carefully. Think about how you'll use the road and measure the area precisely to estimate materials. Select bricks that are durable and visually appealing. Also, consider the slope and drainage to manage water effectively. Proper planning ensures a long-lasting and beautiful brick surface for your property. Next, preparing a solid foundation is crucial for your brick road's longevity. Begin by excavating the area to a depth of at least 8 inches. Install a robust edge restraint around the perimeter to keep your pavers in place. Then, lay down a geotextile fabric to inhibit weed growth. Finally, compact a 4-inch layer of crushed stone to create a stable and well-drained base. Now it's time to lay your bricks. First, spread a 1-inch layer of bedding sand evenly across the compacted base. Carefully place your bricks in your desired pattern, ensuring consistent gaps between each one. Use a rubber mallet to gently tap each brick into its final position, ensuring it is level with its neighbors. Work methodically to maintain a smooth and even surface. For the final touches, we'll secure your brick road. Spread polymeric sand generously over the entire brick surface. Use a broom to sweep the sand thoroughly into all the joints, ensuring they are completely filled. Lightly mist the area with water to activate the polymeric sand, which will harden and lock the bricks in place. Allow it to cure for at least 24 hours before heavy use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.